Okay guys, we found a place. We found a place. Good afternoon guys. We are here next to the pool. That's our room. Maybe I'll show it to you at some point, I'm not sure. But right now, we're gonna go just, I think across the road there. There's like laundry, I've got all this to get washed, cleaned, sorted, etc. And then we're gonna go for food, and then I think we're just gonna explore around Seminyak. I thought we were gonna go down to Kuta, I think I said that in the last video. But actually, yeah, I think we're just gonna explore Seminyak a bit, see what's going on around here. Yes, so let's go.
Hello. Lots of things to wash.
Yes, washing. Okay, go. Yes. So we're quite lucky. Literally right here. Oh yes, we got Grandma and Grandpa. I guess that's kind of like almost like the ancestors or something. This is me guessing. If you know anything, let me know down below. So now we're going to go across here to the laundry, see what they say. Dun, dun, dun. They've crossed out the prices, never good, but we'll see. Okay, so.
I thought this one was
Looks like something, right? Okay, so, well, we went across the way. It was like 15,000 per kilo, which to us seems, well, it's more expensive than what I paid in Bangladesh, for example. But I guess it's probably standard kind of price for around here. Yeah, standard kind of price for around here. So yeah, we were going to go try and find a bargain, but since it's right across the road from us, I thought we might as well just do it here. Yeah, so just dropped off the laundry. Now we're looking for a place to have some food. Mine ended up being, I don't know, like 4 kilos, so about 60,000. Okay, for 4 kilos. That's not bad, is it? Really? Just like, you know, used to like Bangladeshi prices. Anyway, we'll try and find some food. Okay guys, we found a place. Here, Warung. It says here that they've got experience 25 years on a cruise ship line.
Wow. What does it mean, cruise ship line?
Like a cruise ship. Like a big cruise ship. I guess like food on a cruise ship.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And you know, they've got kind of all the standards. And some kind of unusuals actually as well, like pork schnitzel. I think, is that what you're having?
Yes.
Yeah, so Ash is having Polish pork schnitzel with coleslaw.
No, it's an Indonesian pork schnitzel, a version of Polish schabowy.
Yeah. We'll see who's better, Ash's or Indonesia's. They do have hamburgers here with coleslaw as well.
Oh wow.
But what am I having? I'm having beef curry. Yes, beef curry. And we're obviously having gado shared between us. And I'm gonna have a Bali coffee as well, which is good. Yes. And look, this is kind of the surrounds. It's really nice, like, you know, like a nice gateway here. Yeah, really nice. Nice little courtyard and garden. Nice and chill. It's kind of what we need. Well, what I need. I think Asha wants to like run around somewhere.
No, I need that as well. I'm just having a relaxing day today.
Yeah.
It's just I have chilled out today already, so my brain is a little bit more active, and brain tired himself running.
Who? Brain? So I think by brain she means Blair, but I'm not sure. We'll try and work that one out. Yes, but because I've been for like an 8-kilometer run already, so I'm like, you know, easy. I'm easing into something. But yeah, we'll come once I maybe have the coffee. I'll get back to her level. Yes, maybe some more water as well.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, it's very nice here. Very nice. And we thought we'd just have something here, like away from the beach, was a bit cheaper. and then probably head maybe towards the beach a bit more, or like, you know, do a bit of just surveying the land. I think Asher is going to be navigator this time.
Yes.
Yes, so we're in her capable hands, I hope. Yes, let's see where she gets us. Wow, we weren't expecting this. Look how much food there is. Like,
And there's one more coming.
yeah, we've got like
saw
Asher's got like a whole schnitzel thing
I
coming.
saw the lady made the big eyes when we ordered so much, but I don't.
Yeah, but we're not really used to like having, I guess, such big portions. Actually, I do find that like the Indonesian portions, particularly maybe on Java, were quite small. You know, so we've been ordering like maybe a main with a salad. You know, just get your maybe pour it on, or dip it. But yeah, so I got like this beef curry.
Tofu tender. This is only gado-gado is enough for me.
Ah, wow. Okay. So for me, this tastes like, it's like like you can get a mix in like the supermarket in like Tesco, or like even in New Zealand as well, called like Chinese 5 spice. So it's a bit like that. It's not too hot, not too like curry hot. There are loads of flavour. Very good. So it's got like beef, and it's got some potato, cauliflower, and like some fried onion on top as well. Ooh, there's a cardamom. Just got cardamom and a bit of spice there as well. And then we've obviously got the gado-gado with the satay sauce. All looking good. I might try the tempeh. Tempeh is like
The sauce is really good.
my favorite thing right now. Tempeh. Oh wow.
Really, this is really good.
Yeah, it's really,
Comparing to anything that we've had, I think this is the best.
yeah.
I'll
It
do
tastes
that.
like for me it's like home cooked.
Home
cooked.
food.
Yeah,
I thought it would be home food.
home cooked food. Just like mum would say. Okay, so we're gonna eat, and then maybe when Asher's schnitzel comes, well, she might actually be too full to even eat it.
Yeah.
But we'll probably save some for like the beach later or something.
Dinner.
Yeah. But yes, all good, all good. What's the place called again? Warung Wayang. There's the name. Wayang. And it's just like if you see this like thing here, like the archway, and you just come in here. It's kind of hidden actually off one of the roads.
But
yeah,
it's
it's
the
good.
main road to this to the seaside.
Well, but it's a little turn off really. Like I would have missed it if I just kept walking down that way.
Yeah, well spotted.
Okay, gonna eat. Bye bye. So Asher's thing did arrive. I don't think we actually talked about it. There is half of it. It's like a pork schnitzel, and Asher's saying that it might be.
It's like really on the same level that Polish schnitzel, and I've eaten German schnitzel as well. So it's really well cooked. It's really well spiced with like a little bit spicy, grilly kind of herbs on it as well. But yeah, I've heard them like heating, you know, the meat, and it's really fresh and absolutely amazing. Like when my mom cooks schabowe, I usually eat 2 at once. So can't do it this time though.
Yeah, I mean we definitely over ordered because we've still got all this left, and I'm full. I think I'm done.
No way.
Yeah, I'm done. So I think we're gonna have to have.
yours for my dinner.
We're gonna have a dog.
You can eat mine for your dinner.
Gonna get a doggy bag for like maybe like a picnic by the beach later. I think is the plan. Whew, yeah, because I am full. Gosh, I thought like after my run I needed like a refuel, but this was good. Wasn't really expecting like such big portions. like I said, it's kind of quite unusual.
Like one person you could share.
Yeah, one portion you could share, and that would be enough, to be honest. But we ended up getting 3, and we're going to share it and then share it again. So there you go. Yeah, so more food for later. Great. For now, I'm full. Okay, guys, there we are. There we go. We're going. Yeah, there we go, we're done, we're going, here it is, look, this is the place we were at, Warung, Wayang, Kapalang Tadang, Gangpuri Kupu. Wow, I think I said all that right. But yeah, if you kind of come along like this mainish road and you see this, and you see the sign, just go in. Go in. It's good food, good portions, good pricing, good everything. Everything is good. Tastes good. Everything. And yeah, it's just off kind of this road-ish. The road to like Seminyak Beach. Just head down there. Okay.